The extinction of the lungs of the planet, our rainforests, is accelerating. It's dangerous because half of all land species live there. And trees slow runaway global warming by soaking up and storing greenhouse gases. We passed a threshold last year in the largest lung of the planet, the Amazon rainforest. It now emits more greenhouse gas than it absorbs. Things are changing faster. We've already achieved a full 2/3 destruction of the planet's rainforests, and we are accelerating the burning of the remaining 1/3. The majority of our crops and related destruction of rainforests are for meat production, not plants that humans eat. We've recently surpassed 40% of Earth's land-based biomes flat out destroyed. And we've done that mostly to produce monocrops that are not synergistic with the rest of the biosphere. We're burning down symbiotic ecosystems to feed our voracious appetite for meat. There are 10 million species here on Earth, and one of them, us, just destroyed 40% of the biomes on land and is working at industrial speed to kill off the last 60%. We are voraciously destructive, like locusts. Bees are a linchpin of the biosphere. When they go, we're in trouble. Bee farmers reported a die-off of 45% from April 2020 to April 2021. When the global biosphere reaches a certain point of no return, society will collapse into a Mad Max world. Some humans will survive, but it won't be fun.